Alright, so hello universe. Welcome to Angels AI into the next lecture, and let's create another file through.html. Alright, and let's copy and paste all the code that we have made. Okay, yeah, fine. So just a moment. Alright, so yeah. So in the previous video, we've learned how to add internal CSS. Okay, so this time we're going onto the other topic, which is external CSS. So how can you write CSS in externally? Okay, to write externally, you have to create other file for your style sheet. So you can name it as anything. I'm naming it as third style. Okay, third style, because this is going to get linked onto the third.html. Okay, so the third style.css, you can name it like that. And what you have to do is you can write all your code, all your CSS code, all the CSS property into this what we say as a file, CSS file. So just like you can write here anything. Okay, just like you talk about this. Okay, so just like you gave this, you can just write it as it is, what you do in the internal CSS. Alright, so but the thing is that how can you connect these two files? Just have to add one thing. Inside the head tag, just write in link and press enter, and you will get this kind of syntax. Okay, this is very important, because there are so many times it happens that we have written all the CSS code, we have written all the HTML code, and we are just stuck. Why this isn't the CSS code is getting applied to our website? But believe me guys, this silly mistake is there in those conditions. Okay, so you just have to check in whenever you create any CSS file. You just have to first and almost foremost, you just have to link it on with the HTML file. Alright, so you have just written this link tag, and it has given you the relative to be style sheet. It is going to be a style sheet, and then the href, you have to give it the style sheet name. They are basically your file name. Okay, so in this case, we have our file name to be thirdstyle.css. Just have to write it there, and as you type in, it will give you a lot of suggestions, and you have to pick your own file. And as you do it, as you have already given your color to be blue for h1, okay, for h1 you have already given the color to be blue, so it will change that to be blue. Okay, so let's open with the live server. Here you go, you got that in the blue color. So that's it for today's video, and I hope that you understood everything, and so I'll see you in the next class.